Tesla. Spotted the Tesla. Cruising out here on the highway to hell. That's Model S. I love Teslas. There's nothing I don't like about Tesla. I like that the owner's cocky. I like that he has so much FU money that he can launch his own car into space and do the most heinous things ever. I love that their cars are 10 to 15 years ahead of the industry. I love how they look. I love how they drive. I have driven them. They are incredible. They update themselves. The big screen is super cool. They are everything I would expect from the latest, greatest vehicles. All right. So SEMA comes around 2018 and Dodge unveils a 1,000 horsepower crate engine. Hey. Welcome to a whole bunch of rich dudes putting those in their garages as collector's items. What does Chevy do? Chevy comes out with a new COPO, a new front end, whatever, but it's electric. They come out with a new high-performance car that's electric. It's not as fast as some of the other COPOs, because some of their COPOs, I believe, are down into the 6-second mark, and this is going to be a 9-second car, but it is full electric, which is extremely interesting. I think it's going to be an absolute heartbreaker when it gets to the drag strip. I know this car broke a lot of Mopar hearts and a lot of Ford guys, and I mean, you can talk a lot of smack about what your car can do, but once you hit the strip, numbers are numbers. Either you suck at driving, you have no ability to set your car up, read the situation and adjust it for the day, or your car is just unable to perform as you anticipated. So I went to the strip, I performed, I did, loved it. They come out with this electric car, and what I've noticed is a lot of the big horsepower cars, anything like 700 plus horsepower, rear wheel drive, like they all have their best day. They don't all have good days, they're not all days are good, but they all have their best day. And they will spend all year trying to get it, and they usually hit it in the fall when temperature's cool and they've really figured the car out, and whatever modifications or new cars, like it takes a lot of time to sort. This 9-second COPO I feel like is going to be an out-of-the-box killer. It's going to hit the strip and it is going to perform every single run. DA, temperature, it's going to have such a minuscule variation because they're just tweaking tire pressure. They're just adjusting suspension settings, just little things that are going to be tweaked on the car. It's going to be so consistent. It's really going to be a fun car to take down and just fine-tune and tweak. And the electric market as of now has no real aftermarket world. It's not like, I could go get me a super duper flux capacitor and I can run, however many more volts, watts, amperages through whatever into the motors or do a motor swap. That doesn't exist. So the cars kind of come stupidly fast and awesome, and they're just going to kind of stay stupidly fast and awesome. So it'll be interesting to see the guys with the extra 100, 150, 200K, whatever they cost, that can throw the money down, buy the cars, and play with them to what they really become in the next decade. I'm very optimistic, and I'm excited as hell, to be honest. If I could afford a Model 3, I would probably, there's the Tesla. Be back. Oh, she delicious. Enjoy your HOV lanes, sir. So it's just going to be an interesting time. My car's cool. I know everything I can do to it, will do to it, want to do to it. I know how much money I don't have that I wish I had, and just everything about it. Whereas the electric market just leaves a whole new world of possibility and fun and adventure. Bring it on. And then there's autopilot. How do you not love autopilot? Oh, baby. That's why reading this book. No, he's just flat out napping. There you go. He's napping. Love it. Love it. Love it. Till next time, drive safe, take care, behave. As always.